We all use our mobile phones, but when it comes to changing our settings, we can get a little bit stumped. Welcome, my name is Analia Pisani from AZ Solutions. I provide Microsoft Office training courses in Sydney, Australia. I was with my mum, she's 86, and she's a pretty computer literate person to a degree, but I was watching her navigate her mobile phone when I realised she's actually struggling to find when she wants to change some sort of a setting. So I'm going to clarify where to find your settings on a mobile phone. Now, I do use a Samsung, but it is similar depending on whether you have Samsung or Apple or another brand. So there's three icons to actually look out for. They're usually at the top, but of course, sometimes they might be actually down the bottom of your screen. So when you're trying to get yourself orientated, you pick up your mobile phone, you go, all right, so where is this setting thing? Sometimes it's also tucked away. With the Samsung in particular, you have to put your finger at the very top of the screen and then slide it down. And sometimes that isn't enough and you have to do it again and push down even further before you can even see one of the three menu icons that you need. And they are the cogwheel, so the little round circle. The other second one is the horizontal lines. I don't know if you've come across this before, but some people call it the hamburger icon. And the third one is the three little dots going down, so one underneath each other. So they're the three buttons to play around with to find your settings. Now, I was trying to get Mum to print. This is another issue. So I was trying to get Mum to print, and you'd think it's straightforward. Go to the thing you're trying to print, click on one of those three menu icons, either the cogwheel or the hamburger icon or the three little dots, and then find print, and then off you go. So you'd think. But and keep in mind, when I'm giving Mum these instructions, it's usually, over the phone. I'm not sitting right next to her. So try and, navigate and describe these things can be, a bit of a pain in the neck. So instead of going to the top, or you go to the image, you go to the menu, you hit print, and then it says printer not available. So one of the things you're going to need to do is find the button that says add a printer and then go find one and select it. Sometimes you find the printer and it still isn't working. So another alternative is to download a printer app, so separately. So for me, I've got the Samsung, so I'd use Google Play Store, but otherwise it would be the Apple Store. I'm not sure what it's called on the other one. Now you might need to find that printer, or you might have to find something that says printer enabler. And that will be the difference, where you download a printer enabler, but then you can still go back to your icon, hit the menu button and then say print, and then off you go. Otherwise, you have to download your actual printer icon, click on that printer icon, and then go to your menu, and you might need to navigate and choose which drive you're getting your information from. It could be Google Drive, could be OneDrive. It could be from your mobile phone, from your downloads, your documents, or your images. Once you've got that app downloaded, you should then be able to roll with it, find the icon that says print your image or print your PDF, and then off you go. Even though I've set this up multiple times, it seems to work for a while, and then something tends to go wrong and I have to delete the printer, reinstall the printer, change the default printer, and this is all on your mobile phone. I'd be interested to see if anybody else gets any stuck on printing, and what your experiences have been and what your solutions have been to getting the printing to happen. Thank you for joining me. My name's Analia Pisani from AZ Solutions. Now, don't miss out for more tips and tricks and links in the description area.